Julia.
Hi, Mauro.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for coming out.
Love the house, location, perfect.
Thank you so much.
You wrote me something about the foundation.
Yes, that's right. So
Okay.
we bought the house last year and we redid the landscaping. And when we moved these big shrubs out of the way, we noticed the foundation paint was chipping a little bit, looked like it hadn't been done in a while. And we've done some inside paint projects, but the outside's a little out of our comfort zone. So we'd love your help.
I'd love to help, and I got the paint for this project.
Let's do it.
Well, Julia, it's time for preparation. First thing we have to do is remove the mulch away from the foundation, about 2 inches. We're gonna dig it out. And then we're gonna lay down flat a drop cloth. And I have some tools here that can help us with scraping all the peeling paint from the foundation.
Okay, and why does the paint peel from the foundation?
One of the main reasons is the external weather, like snow, rain, and heat.
And we get a lot of snow here.
But we gotta watch out first for moisture. Moisture is the one that causes a lot of leaking inside of your foundation.
Okay.
All right. Okay, once all the prep is done, it's time to paint. And the paint we're gonna use is this masonry paint.
Okay.
And I know the color.
Platinum gray.
Platinum gray is beautiful. This paint is great. It get a good adhesion to hard surface concrete like that.
Do we need to prime first?
We do not need to prime because this is a self-priming, but we need to apply 2 coats.
Okay.
And we have to wait 4 hours in between coats.
Oh, okay. All right. That's a little bit of time, but we can make it work.
Well, you can make it work, and it's gonna look nice. It's looking beautiful, and you ready to go?
It'll be worth it. Let's do it.
Let's start it. Well, I like to take this downspout out of the way because it's much easier to paint instead of going behind.
Okay.
Once the paint is dry, we'll reinstall the downspouts. Let's do this. Let's lay it down flat right here. There we go. All right, let's get to work, Julia.
Let's do it.
All right, let's put this drop cloth down, Julia. We're gonna have to do is this. All right.
How do you know when to stop?
Once the paint is starting to feel like it's firm there,
Okay.
but if you scrape a little bit and it comes off, just keep going.
Just keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, let's use this stiff brush. Just make sure nothing is left behind. All right, all we gotta do is clean up a little more.
Okay.
All right? Well, Julia, ready for the fun part of this?
Let's do it.
All right, notice that we put the drop cloths back clean because as we're starting to cut and roll it, I don't want any drop paint on the ground.
Okay.
All right, let's open this paint can and we're gonna be ready to paint.
Let's do it. Wow.
There we go.
Do you need to give it a mix?
Let's do some stirring first.
Okay.
Notice how this paint is thick?
That's really thick.
Really thick. And the color is perfect.
Yeah. Looks almost just like what we have already.
That's it. All right, let's pour some in this paint tray. You hold that for us.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Wow.
Great. Now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut in first and then we're gonna roll. So we're just gonna go like this. Just dip your brush in here and just gonna angle like this.
Okay.
All right, give it a good stroke. We're gonna cut the top, the sides, and the bottom.
Does it matter how far down I go?
Just make sure you spread the paint really well.
Okay.
Just like this. All right, very nice.
Cool.
I think we're ready to do some rolling.
Let's do it.
All right. Most important, don't go all the way down and don't get dirt on the roller. All right. Yeah, like that.
Yeah. Seems like what's nice about this is it doesn't have to be perfect.
No, because notice that the foundation has a texture to it.
Yeah.
Right? It's not a smooth foundation. So, so anything we do here, as long as we cover the whole field, it's going to be fine.
Great.
After allowing the first coat to dry for at least 4 hours, we are ready to paint the second coat.
Yeah, this looks great.
And you're gonna look like a pro now.
Oh yeah.
Well, Julia, take a look at it.
It looks amazing.
It looks beautiful. Second coat is done, wait to dry, and then you can push the mulch back.
Okay.
All right, but one important thing, always keep the foundation clean, and this paint job will last for a long time.
That's great.
Well, if you have any question about your house, I love to hear them. Just keep them coming. Until next time, I'm Mauro Henrique for Ask This Old House. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.